Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix GCash Gloan request permission problem or GCash Gloan permission request problem in GCash application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in GCash application. Go to apps info or I button, click on storage, again click on clear data. Again click on clear cache data. Go back, click on apps permission. You can allow all apps permission. You can follow all of the steps to fix GCash request permission problem or GCash permission request problem fixed. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.